Looking for the best flexible boning knives? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 flexible boning knives on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Update International, German steel boning knife. Pros. Made of extra heavyweight stainless steel. Measures 13.5 inches. In addition to deboning, it's also great for fillets. A great tool at an affordable price. Great for restaurant use. This knife is carefully manufactured and hand-honed in order to deliver the sharpest edge and maximum cutting performance that lasts. It features an ergonomic non-slip handle, and it's NSF certified. Dishwasher safe. Cons. Only available in white. Bottom line. Great for home or professional use. At number 2. Ultra Source, semi-flexible boning knife. Pros. Made of high-quality molybdenum alloy steel. Went through a cryogenic treatment that guarantees enhanced performance and retains edge and sharpness much longer. It features a textured handle that is NSF certified. Designed with front and rear bolsters to protect against accidental slippage to prevent accidents. An excellent choice for professional chefs and serious home cooks. Cons. Only available in orange. Bottom line. Great quality at a bargain price. And number 1. Victorinox, Swiss Army Pro Boning Knife. Pros. Made of stainless steel. Designed to make it easy to trim or remove meat from the bone with ease. The pointed tip easily pierces meat and the curved edge creates smooth, clean cuts close and around the bone. It measures 11.25 by 1.38 by 0.75 inches. Ideal for delicate meats such as poultry and fish. It features an ergonomic Fibrex Pro handle for a non-slip grip even when wet. Swiss made. Cons. Pricier than average. Bottom line. The right choice if you want lasting quality. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.